My name is Jeffrey Levinson, and I am the Account Manager Lead here at Malili. Today, we're going to talk about automated spreadsheet projects. Now, there are a few things that you need to know before we get started. Blackout provides the ability to redact and highlight Excel documents in bulk utilizing terms, phrases, and regular expressions. Excel projects, or spreadsheet projects, are a configurable way to target specific documents and locate content that must be marked up based on your case needs. In the project itself, or through a CSV template, wildcards and DT search are not supported. If the redact all headers and footers, redact all objects, or redact all comments checkboxes are selected, no other rules are needed to run the project with those settings. Now, as for CSV support, CSVs included in a saved search will be processed by spreadsheet projects using that saved search. Any rules with unsupported markup styles, such as white redactions or black redactions, will use the configured fallback text to place a text redaction on the CSV. The fallback text can be modified when creating or editing a project. CSV files do not support native highlights, so if a Blackout spreadsheet project rule has a markup type of highlight and hits on content within a CSV, the CSV will appear in the document warnings and remain unmodified. Now that we've talked about what you need to know, let's jump into my Relativity instance and take a look at how to actually run an automated spreadsheet project. Now, after logging into Relativity, we're going to access the Blackout tab and then click Projects. From here, we will click Create New Project and then select Spreadsheet. Next, we'll fill out the project form with the associated fields that we would like, and then click Create. If needed, a CSV import can be uploaded from the next screen here by clicking the Upload Rules CSV button. Then navigate to and select the completed CSV file on your device. After selecting the file, click the Upload arrow icon. Then, after creating the project, click the Run button. Once the project begins running, the project will be queued by Blackout and then start being processed. After the project completes, a results page displays information about the completed work and provides a launchpad for further quality review. Occasionally, the markups created by a spreadsheet project may also need to be reverted. This need may arise when rules need to be modified or a case settles. To revert a project, we're going to navigate back to our project view screen and choose the project that we need to revert. Now we can click the Revert button in the top right. A dialog will appear confirming that you want to revert the project. After confirming, the project will be queued and the Blackout agent will pick it up and begin reverting the documents that were marked up by the project. A progress bar will also display to tell you how many documents have been reverted. This was an overview of automated spreadsheet projects. If you have any other questions, feel free to navigate to support.malili.com or email us at support@malili.com.